Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'm going to continue unboxing my Greenlight collectibles, but I've got something different today. I've never done an unboxing video of this particular series from Greenlight. It's called the Hobby Shop. I've got 3 Series 13 and 1 Series 14, and then I've got a Detroit Speed INC or Ink. So let's go ahead. I'll do the Detroit Speed INC first because that's like the odd one out, and then I'll look at the Hobby Shop series. And what I have today is a 1982 Checker Marathon A12E. I've got a 1989 Ford Taurus. I've got a 1972 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. I've got a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. And I've got a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro test car. Okay, let's start off with the Greenlight Detroit Speed Ink series. It's a Chevrolet Camaro test car, Chevy Camaro. That's the whole series, guys, if anyone's interested. That's the car, guys. Kudos to Greenlight. It's got a nice heavy feel to it because obviously the base and the chassis is metal as well. Painted taillights, Chevy logo. It's got some sort of license plate, chrome exhaust, black and white color scheme with black on the roof, the bonnet and the trunk. Beautiful front with plastic headlights, blinkers and fog lights. And the favorite part of our Greenlight is, yep, the hood opens up and you can see the engine. Very happy, guys. Okay, let's start looking at the Hobby Shop series by Greenlight Collectibles. The car looks pretty good, guys. They also give you a little figure that comes along with the car in this series. That's a nice added bonus for the price. Alright, that's the car. And the figure, guys, apparently he's a salesman. He does look like a salesman. Okay, beautiful light gray color scheme with black on the rooftop. Plenty of chrome accents. I'm loving the rims and the wheels on this one, guys. Painted headlights. Beautiful chrome grille, chrome bumper. I wish they added a license plate, but I've got a few, so I can put them on. Painted taillights. Any opening? Oh, yep. That looks beautiful, guys. Alright, the next one in the Hobby Shop series for today's video is a 1989 Ford Taurus with a sales associate in suit. Apologies guys, the previous one wasn't a sales associate, he was a driver according to the sticker on that car, so my bad. I like this beautiful diorama kind of thing guys, with the hobby shop, the little shade in the front and the cardboard door at the back. Impressive guys. Okay, that's the car guys, beautiful maroon red. Nice detailing, they've got painted headlights, Ford logo. There's no opening hood on this one. Side mirrors, some sort of Taurus on the side, painted tail lights, metal chassis as always, being a Greenlight. Quite neat guys. I forgot to show you guys the sales associate. It's pretty detailed guys. Alright guys, we're down to the last two. Next one up is a 1972 Cadillac Coupe de Ville with a gas pump. That's the car guys. I really love Cadillacs, so this is like an absolute delight. Painted headlights, chrome grille. I wish they added a license plate. There's no moving parts on this one, or opening parts. Or is there? No. Black rooftop. It's got a nice bluish gray color scheme going on. Being a Cadillac, the rear wheels kind of get a little bit of covering on top. No side mirrors on this one. Painted taillights, Cadillac logo on the boot of the trunk. Pretty neat guys. And that's a little gas pump guys. I wish there was a bit of fuel in this gas pump with the current fuel prices, but oh well. Alright, we're down to the last one guys in this beautiful The Hobby Shop series by Greenlight Collectibles. But sadly this is the last one. I wish I could pick up more, but when I was out and about shopping in Walmart, they only had these 4 pieces left, so I picked them all up. I can probably try and pick more up when I go out shopping again next time. And this one's got a this is a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe LT Texas Edition with a man in a suit. So he's not a driver, he's not a salesman, he's just a man in a suit. That's the car guys. Beautiful red color scheme with plenty of chrome accents. Painted headlights, Chevy logo in gold. Painted grille, side mirrors. painted taillights, chrome exhaust, beautiful heavy feel to it. And that's the man in the suit to go with the car in the Hobby Shop series. Quite impressed, guys. Thank you, Greenlight, and thank you, Lord Jesus. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. And those are the cars we had a look at in today's unboxing video with the Greenlight Collectibles Hobby Shop series. We had a look at the Chevy Camaro test car, 1982 Checker Marathon with a driver in suit, a 1989 Ford Taurus with a sales associate in suit, a 1972 Cadillac Coupe DeVille with a vintage gas pump, and the last one was a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe LT Texas Edition with a man in suit. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all. And I'll catch you in my next unboxing video. I'll be continuing with my Greenlight collectibles. I've got like last 2 or 3 sets of Greenlight. And then I'll move on to the other brands in my collection. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.